Alright, last FlashForge for today. The FlashForge AD5M is basically the more streamlined sibling in FlashForge AD5 series. Core XY high speed claims. They advertise up to 600 mm per second travel and very fast acceleration numbers, and a quick swap nozzle system aimed at keeping downtime low. The AD5M's Amazon listing and product pages talk up one-click auto leveling, a high-temp direct drive nozzle, quick swap nozzles, and Core XY metal structure with a 220 by 220 by 220 mm build volume. Price tends to hover in the low to mid hundreds depending on deals, so check the listing for exact current offers. And you guessed it, we share buy links in description box. Real world use. Owners love the auto leveling and the quick swap nozzle when they're swapping nozzle sizes or cleaning clogs. Makes maintenance less annoying. The Core XY frame helps keep prints stable at higher speeds, but like other printers with aggressive speed specs, you'll find a trade-off between raw speed and ultimate surface finish, so you'll dial speeds down for delicate models. Customer reviews on Amazon praise the AD5M's reliability and speed for prototyping, while constructive feedback calls out manual tuning needed for certain filaments and occasional firmware quirks. Pros: fast, modular nozzle system, good hardware for the price. Cons: tuning for best quality still required, and you'll want to test profiles for each filament. If you're doing rapid prototyping, streaming build time lapses, or want a workhorse desktop Core XY with user-friendly maintenance features, the AD5M is a solid pick for the price. It's a grow into it machine, not the absolute easiest for total beginners, but a great value for makers who tinker. Check the product page for up-to-date pricing and customer ratings. We share by links in description box.